Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the drying of the crude drugs. Before the marketing a crude drug, it is necessary to process it properly so as to preserve it for a longer time and also to acquire better pharmaceutical elegance. This processing includes the several operation or the treatment depending upon the source of the crude drug and its chemical nature. Drying consists of the removal of the sufficient moisture content of the crude drug and so as to improve its quality and make it the resistant to growth of microorganisms. Drying inhibit the partially enzymatic reactions. Drying also facilitate polarizing or the grinding of a crude drug. In the certain drugs, some special methods are required to be followed to attain the specific standards. The slicing and cutting into smaller pieces is done to enhance drying. As in case of the glyceria, the flowers are dried in shade so as to retain their color and volatile oil content. Depending upon the type of chemical constituent, a method of drying can be used for a crude drug. Drying can be of the two types. First is a natural and second is artificial. Natural drying is the sun drying. In case of natural drying, it may be either direct sun drying or in the shade. If natural color of the drug like digitalis calv senna and the volatile principles of the drug per peppermint are to be retained, drying in shade is preferred. If the contents of the drug are quite stable to temperature and sunlight, the drug can be dried directly in sunshine, like gum, acacia seeds, and fruits. Second are the artificial drying. Artificial drying by the artificial means include the drying the drug in an oven, tray dryer, vacuum dryer, and the spray dryer. The tray dryer, the drug which do not contain the volatile oils and are quite stable to heat or which need the deactivation of enzymes, are dried in a tray dryer. In this process, hot air of the desired temperature is circulated through the dryer and facilitates the removal of water content of the drugs. Belladonna root, cinchona bark, tea, and the raspberry leaves and gum are dried by this method. The vacuum dryer, the drug which are the sensitive to higher temperature are dried by its process. Examples are the tannic acid and the digitalis. Spray dryer. Few drugs which are highly sensitive to the atmospheric condition and also to temperature of the oven drying are dried by the spray drying method. The technique is followed for the quick drying of economically important plant or animal constituents rather than the crude drugs. Examples are the spray drying for the papaya latex pectin tannins and expensive methods compared to the natural drying and oven drying. Today class I discuss about the drying of crude drugs and their types. Thank you for watching.